Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if developer mode is not showing on iPhone. So first, what you need to check is your iOS version. So just ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Developer mode is available on iOS 16 and later. Next, you can also enable developer mode via settings. You can do this by heading to settings and then privacy and security. Scroll down and look for developer mode. Tap on it and enable the toggle. You might need to restart your phone afterwards. Next, you can also use iCare Phone. So just download and install TenorShare iCare Phone on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer and trust the device. Use iCare Phone to enable developer mode, which can be easier than using Xcode. Now for some troubleshooting, if developer mode still doesn't appear, try restarting your iPhone. Also, ensure all system updates are installed, and if the issue persists, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.